All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and we run our channel here to find ways to make money online and pass those on to you. So there's several series on the channel, and we're making money with all of them now. So, run through, get informed, get information, and, decide what's going to be right for you. Now, this video today is going to be a continuation of this series right here, to turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, where we take $5 a day that we're investing in a email platform called My Lead Gen Secret, and we're promoting free products through Clickbank. We're just going to go down the line. So far, we're on the second product, and we have made 2 commissions from those, one from the first, one from the second. So we're just going to continue this. We're going to continue working on it every day. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We sure appreciate it. We need the support. If you support the channel, we appreciate it, and we can keep putting these videos out. So let's go jump into Clickbank, and we'll check out our stats. All right, so let's go into our account here. And we'll see what it look like for today so far. So for today, we've got 83 visits to our clicks to our link. And then let's go ahead and go overall. Okay, so overall, we're looking at 5,581 clicks to our link, 88 visits to our order form total. Now, with this new offer that we're promoting right now, we've got 1,846 clicks to our link. So this is even growing more substantial than we were here, because we're dumping those leads in there every single day. So we're emailing to a lot more people now than we were. And this is just going to continue to grow and grow. And hopefully that will grow our sales. Well, it will grow our sales. It can't not, right? We're going to reach out to more people, and we're going to keep finding people that are interested in this offer. So let's jump into our first account and get our emails out for today. I've got an email pulled up and ready to go. Already proofread it. I made a couple changes, but they will be reflected on the Google Doc below. Now, this email system here, this is My Lead Gen Secret. That's what I've been talking about, where they dump 100 leads into your account every single day for $1 a day. Now, for this series, we're running 5 accounts. So that's where the $5 a day comes from. And then if you make a sale on one of your accounts, or if you sign up and daisy chain your accounts, you then bump that to 200 a day, because you get, you can see here, you get a 100 lead bonus every single day. And that just continues. So it's just building, building, building. So we're not going to use either one of these because we don't need them. We're going to go right here to mailing system. And let's see, today we are mailing 5,500 people just from this one account. And we've got 5 of these accounts. Some of them are a little bit smaller, but we are going to be emailing a lot of people today. We'll go ahead and take note of the leads on each account as we go. And then we can run a figure on exactly how many we're emailing today, just for our records. All right. So the email today, I kind of like better than the one yesterday. So our subject is $25 an hour to work with Elon Musk. think we are going to use a pre-header on this one, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the entire body of the email. Control C. I'm going to highlight and Control V to paste. And as always, I'm going to get rid of all this bold. And I'm going to use a piece of short code right here. And we're going to use this short code in this email twice. Oops. So Control C, we're going to go there. And I'm going to come down here. I'm going to go there too. And we're going to change signature to our name. And then we need to create our link. So right here, I'm going to get rid of this. That's where our ID goes. So your ID will go there. And then let's place our link. Control C. Click here. So we go here. For sure. I'm going to bold. And I'm going to bring that size up, I think, to 14. And we've also got right here. And again, I'm going to bold that and bring that to size 14 again. Perfect timing. We're going to get rid of this because we've already got it saved in here now. So we're ready to go. And we'll just give this a quick look to make sure we got everything before we send. Now we've got our lead selected. This is all the same. We've got our subject line. I'm not going to read through this whole thing, but you can stop. You can read through it. Or, like I said, the Google Doc is below. And I did reflect a couple of changes in there. But you can just go by this if you like. Okay, this all looks good. I'm going to Control C. And then let's get this out. All right, then we're going to right-click the tab and duplicate. And we will log out and into our next account. Now, again, we don't need these, so we're going to hit mailing system. And here we are mailing 2,800 on this account. I'm going to come down and highlight, Control V, paste our email. Perfect timing. And then we'll go grab our subject. I guess if you don't like Elon Musk, then this wouldn't be the job for you. But, you know, I mean, he is a machine. I'm going to copy this before I send it, so I've got it for the next one, for the next account. All right, then we go back to our other tab. Log out. And log into number 3. So mailing system, select all. We've got 2,800 here. This account as well. I'm going to come all the way down, highlight. I'm going to Control V and paste. And then we're going to go grab our subject. There we go. And I'm going to re-grab this email for our next account. Control C and send. All right, then we go to our other tab. Log out. We're going to log into number 4. Mailing system, select all. So 2,800 here. I'm going to come all the way down. We're going to highlight and Control V to paste. Perfect timing. Get our subject. Grab our email one more time. Control C and send. All right, now we're going to go to our other tab. Log out and log into our last account. So mailing system, select all, and then we're at 4,800 there. I'm going to highlight and we're going to Control V. And then we need to grab our subject from the document. And we don't need to grab our email again because this will be our last email, because this is our last account for today. And send. All right, so that wraps that up for today. So now, if we had other plans or whatever we want to do, we can go do that. I do want to just run these figures. We'll see. There we go. We'll see how many we're emailing to today. So 5,500 plus 2,800 plus 28 plus 28 plus 48. Okay, so you can see today we're emailing to 18,700 people. Now, granted, all these don't get opened, but we're piling them in there so that it ups our chances. Okay. And then if you want to go see your open rates, you can go in here and you can go to statistics right here. And you can check out your open rates and you can see how your emails are doing. These do pretty good. I don't really have any issue with how these are doing. Even the one yesterday that I thought was not that great. We got a lot of opens. We got a lot of clicks. So that's good. Now, some of these down here, if you see you're getting a lot of clicks on one of these, you can reuse it again if you want to just extend it. For the sake of this series, we're not going to. I'm just going to go through each offer, and then we may come back to this later. But for now, we're just going to run one offer, and we're going to run another offer. As long as we have emails for the offers, we're going to run them. Because that's all we want to do with this is just copy and paste, just to see how well we can do. All right. So again, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. If you got any value out of this, please give me a like. If you're just starting, go to video number 1. Check out the setup for MLGS and how to get into your Clickbank. Clickbank's free. MLGS is $1 a day for one account. As you can see, you can turn this into money online. If you have interest in making more money, you want to check this series out right here. Easiest money online step by step. And you want to check out this series right here, how to turn $20 into full-time income in about an hour per day. I recommend both of these. I still work with all of them. I still work with everything on here. So everything that's on here, I still work with it. I still make money with it. Check it out. See what you think. If it's for you, awesome. If you have any questions, my number is always below. And we will leave it on that today. We'll see you on the next one. Later.